Hello kids, today we learn counting number 1 to 5. Let's learn some colors. Pink color, violet color, dark green color, light pink color, green color, sky blue color, brown color, yellow color. Green color, 0. This is 0. There is no shape. Sky blue color, 1. Number 1. One heart. One number, one heart. Green color, 2. Number 2. One heart, 2 heart. Two number, 2 heart. 1, 2. Green color, violet color, 3. Number 3. Two triangle, 3 triangle. Three number, 3 triangle. 1, 2, 3. Violet color, pink color, 4. Number 4. One square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. One square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. 4 number, 4 square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pink color, brown color, 5. Number 5. One pentagon, 2 pentagon, 3 pentagon, 4 pentagon, 5 pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number, 5 pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 number, no shape. 1 number, 1 heart. 2 number, 2 heart. 1, 2. 3 number, 3 triangle. 1, 2, 3. 4 number, 4 square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 number, 5 pentagons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dark green color, sky blue color, green color, violet color, pink color, brown color. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.